Welcome to our guide on how to create an event ticketing website or app like Ticketmaster. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential steps to develop a successful platform that can handle ticket sales, manage events, and provide an exceptional user experience. Whether you're an entrepreneur or a business looking to enter the event ticketing market, this guide is for you. An event ticketing app allows users to purchase tickets for various events, such as concerts, sports games, theater performances, and more. Apps like Ticketmaster connect event organizers with people looking to attend these events, providing a seamless experience from browsing to buying. Ticketmaster is one of the world's largest event ticketing platforms, serving millions of users across multiple countries. In 2023, a year marked by headline-grabbing international tours from mega artists like Taylor Swift and Beyoncé, the total annual revenue of Ticketmaster increased by 36% to $22.7 billion. Let's check out how an event ticketing app like Ticketmaster works. User registration. First, the user needs to sign up and create their profile. Event search and selection. The user searches for events based on location, dates, and preferences, such as type of event or specific performers. Ticket booking. Once an event is selected, the user chooses their preferred tickets, often with options for seat selection or VIP packages. Payment. Payments are securely processed through the app, with various payment options like credit/debit cards and digital wallets. Ticket delivery. After payment, users receive their tickets digitally, which can be saved on their mobile devices or printed out for event entry. On the event day, users simply present their digital or printed ticket for entry. Reviews. After the event, users can leave reviews or feedback about their experience. To stand out in the event ticketing market, consider defining your unique idea. While a general event ticketing app like Ticketmaster is effective, you might want to explore more specialized event ticketing options. Here are some ideas. Concert ticketing app. Focus exclusively on concerts, allowing users to find and purchase tickets for live music events, from local gigs to international tours. Sports event ticketing app. Cater to sports enthusiasts by providing tickets for various sports events, including football, basketball, baseball, and more. Theater and performing arts ticketing app. Offer tickets specifically for theater performances, plays, operas, and other performing arts events. Festival ticketing app. Focus on tickets for music, food, film, and cultural festivals, making it easy for users to find and attend large-scale events. VIP and exclusive event ticketing app. Cater to a luxury market by offering tickets to exclusive events, VIP experiences, and high-profile gatherings. Each of these ideas caters to different markets and needs, providing opportunities to create a niche ticketing service that stands out in the competitive event industry. Now that you have understood how the event ticketing industry works, are you ready to bring your unique event ticketing idea to life? Then, connect with us at Brew Labs. Our team of highly skilled developers and designers leverages cutting-edge technologies and advanced AI to create customized, user-friendly apps tailored to your business needs. We will provide you with a robust admin panel for efficient management and control of event organizers and ticket buyers across your event ticketing app. Our dynamic user app will ensure seamless access to event listings, offering an uninterrupted experience for ticket buyers. Additionally, our effective event organizers app allows for effortless management of event details, ticket availability, attendee engagement, and more. Upon completion of your event website or app, we will transfer full ownership of the source code and intellectual property rights to you. If you are interested in creating your own app like Ticketmaster to enter the lucrative event industry, then click the link in the video's description and fill the form on our website and schedule a free consultation and demo session with us today. Our team of experts will answer any questions you may have and provide a personalized demo tailored to your business needs. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.